To assess the posture in anterior view, we align the plumb line midway between both the medial malleoli. The plumb line passes exactly midway between the body, dividing into equal left and right halves. As you can see that the plumb line is passing through the middle of the head, through the sternum, through the trunk, through the line joining both the ASIS, between the knees and between the both medial malleoli. As you can see, there is no deviation in the head, there is rounding of the shoulders, there is no break in the clavicle, the left shoulder is slightly higher than the right shoulder. The sternum is normal, the carrying angles are normal, the ASIS are both in the same transverse plane. There is no dropping or hiking in the pelvis. There is hyperextension in the knees, slight knocking is present, the patella is slightly deviated inwards, there is slight excessive out-toeing in the left toe, and there are no deformities in the toes of both the feet.
In the anterior view of posture assessment, we will see that the head is in midline. The LOG passes in between the forehead, through the chin, through the nose. Then it passes through the manubrium sterni. The clavicles are symmetrical. The shoulder levels are normal. It then passes through the xiphisternum to the umbilicus to the hip joint, and then we can see that there is ASIS are in the same line. The knee joint is the LOG passes through the knee joint, and these two joints are equidistant in normal patients. But here there is slight increase in genu valgum. We can see that the medial side of the joint is joining, so we can say that there is genu valgum. The medial malleoli of the ankle are equidistant from each other.
Assessment anterior view. When we discuss about posture assessment in anterior view, then the LOG should bisect the body into two symmetrical halves. The eyes, clavicle and shoulder should be equidistant from LOG and should be parallel to the level of ground. Here in the subject we can see that the neck is slightly deviated towards the right side and the right side shoulder is slightly dropped. The waist angles and the ASIS should be parallel to the gravity or the ground and should be equidistant from LOG. Then the joint axis of hip, knee and ankle joint should be parallel to the ground and equidistant from the LOG alignment.
Posture analysis, anterior view. We are using plumb line and observation for assessment. Plumb line bisects the body at the midline into equal halves. Now assume a line from the tip of the nose running through the middle of chin to the manubrium of the sternum. Shoulders. We can see shoulders are aligned, there is no deviation. Now palpate both ASIS and compare the level by imaginary line. No elevation is seen. With the help of a ribbon, we can also compare the level of the fingertips of both hands. Knees are normal, there is no varus or valgus positioning, but left patella is slightly inward. At the ankle level, compare both medial and check for any rotation, but there is no rotation in ankles. At the ankle level, compare both medial and check for any rotation, but there is no rotation in ankles.